So just to recap and do a redo of a review is Millennium Force. And so this is Attraction Magazine's video that I'm going to be using because technically I couldn't find any to borrow, like any off-ride footage for Millennium Force. So I'll just go over this. So Millennium Force was actually my first Giga Coaster ridden, but because I have to redo it, it is now not only my first Giga anymore. It's a different one. And I'm also kind of busy. That's why you see that I kind of upload videos a little late, or maybe don't upload right away because I have to do a lot of household chores. So anyway, with that being said, we're gonna review Millennium Force. As of when I ridden it, it was the first Giga Coaster I ridden. So yeah, we'll tell you how much fun it was. As you leave the station, you will immediately climb this cable lift hill. Now this is pretty fast, so you will be able to look at the water on your left side, and to the right you'll see the rest of Cedar Point. And so you get like stunning views from the top of Millennium Force. So you just cross this cable lift hill at 310 feet. It's pretty high up, and as you go down, this is the time you will really start picking up speed, and goes about 93 miles per hour. And that drop feels like you're falling forever. And you go to this big bank turn. Yeah. So, and then you do a turnaround. And you go through some tunnels. And you eventually go to like a airtime hill, which probably just give you floater air. So, really huge camelback here, though. You can pretty much see it from the hotel breakers. It's really nice. You go to another bank turn. And you will probably do more like turns and some other bank turns. I think this ride focuses on turns and speed only, but I don't see any much airtime on this coaster. I don't think it's airtime focused. So another airtime hill, and again you get a little floater over there again, and you go to another tunnel, and you go to a bunny hop, and you will turn around once again and into your last bank overturn, and you finally hit the brakes, and the ride is pretty much over. And that's the ride. Again, starting off with Attractions Magazine's video, just borrowing. So Millennium Force is pretty fun. Pretty fun ride. I highly recommend it if you first visit Cedar Point. And you do get those stunning views from the top. It's really nice. Very fast ride. Yeah, when you go up close to it, it looks really massive. So you know, when you look at it from the hotel breakers, you can pretty much see this also ride. This ride also, pretty much almost everywhere at the park. It's really tall, huge, and massive, and so yeah. So it's a really good ride. It's comfy. It's using those T-bar, I think T-bar restraints, those lap bar restraints. So you feel comfortable, exposed, and you really feel like you can really try to get airtime. Though this ride doesn't really give you that much airtime though. But if you sit towards the back, you might get whipped out on the first drop though, and it's totally fun. I highly recommend it. It is a good Giga Coaster, and I really loved it. If you're wondering what score I would rate it, I'd rate it like a 9. Now I rated a 9 because the ride isn't that long and it feels like a short ride. I wish there's more, more to it, like more airtime. That probably would have been a better ride. But other than that, it's pretty good roller coaster. It's fast, 93 miles per hour, 310 feet, comfortable ride. I highly recommend it, guys. So if you go to Cedar Point for the first time, try to look for this ride and go on it. It's gonna be really fun and enjoyable. Believe me. Anyway, have you ridden this roller coaster before? Was this your first Giga Coaster you've ridden? Put your comments below, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.